In this chapter we have already studied the basic property theorem, angle bisector theorem and their converse. Now there is a little bit property of three parallel lines and transversal. Property of three parallel lines and their transversal. This property you have studied already in 8th standard, but in 10th standard we have also again this property. Let there is a three parallel lines, we have to see only the property of three parallel lines. Let us see, these are the three parallel lines L, M, N, and there are two transversal of these two parallel lines. Let us suppose this is transversal T1 and this is transversal T2. T1 and T2 are the transversals. Line L is parallel to line M is parallel to line N, and due to this transversal, this is point A, B, C, P, Q and R. AB and BC are the intercepts made by transversal T1, and PQ and QR are the intercepts made by transversal T2. Now what is property? Let line L is parallel to line M is parallel to line N, and T1 and T2 are their transversals, and AB and AC, PQ and QR, these are the intercepts AB, BC, PQ, QR, these are the intercepts made by transversal, these parallel lines on the transversals. Then we know the property that these intercepts are in the same ratio. Then AB upon BC is always equal to PQ upon QR. This is the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. We need not to prove it. Only this property is useful to solve the examples in the paper. Let us see again, if there are three parallel lines and two transversals, then AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Depending upon this property, we have to solve the example in practice set 1.2. Example number 5. Example number 5 in practice set 1.2. Let us see the example. This is example. In trapezium ABCD, side AB, side PQ, side DC are parallel sides. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14. Find the BQ. Now I have to draw the figure here. This is a figure. This is a trapezium. A, P, D, B, Q, C, B, Q, C. In this trapezium, ABCD, AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to DC, means AB, PQ and DC. These three lines are parallel to each other. What they have given us, AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14. Then we have to find BQ. सगळ्यांना एक्झाम्पल समजले का? पहा, मराठीतून सांगतो एकदा. ABCD हा एक काय समलंब चौकोन आहे. या समलंब चौकोनामध्ये AB, PQ आणि DC एकमेकीला काय येतात, समांतर आहेत. तर त्यांनी AP ची किंमत दिली आपल्याला. AP इज इक्वल टू 15 दिलाय. नंतर PD इज इक्वल टू किती दिलाय, 12 दिलाय. अँड QC इज इक्वल टू किती दिलाय, 14. अँड वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द BQ. नाउ just we have learned the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Now according to property of solution, according to property of three parallel lines and their transversal, we write that, let us see the figure. AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. Now putting the values in this equation, what we will get, 15 upon 12 is equal to, we don't know the value of BQ, let us set BQ upon the value of QC is 40. Now by doing cross multiplication, what we will get, 12 into BQ is equal to 15 into 40. The 12 is multiplied to BQ. Now BQ is equal to 15 into 14 upon 12. Let us do this multiplication and division. 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 50. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 40. What I will get here, 5 into 7, 35 upon 2. If I do this division, what I will get, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, that will 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remaining, decimal point, and 2 5s are 10, where I will get 7.5 units BQ. Let us complete the answer. The value of BQ is 17.5 units. 17.5 units. Let us see the example. हॅलो, आता बघा या ठिकाणी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2 म्हणला क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 geometry. Here they have given us a figure. In this figure, triangle ABC BD is a angle bisector and values of BA x, AD is x minus 2, DC is x plus 2 and BC is x plus 5, and from this we have to find out the value of, बडबड करायला लागलेत, मी जरा म्यूट करतो. हाँ ठीक है, find the value of x. We know that in triangle solution, in triangle ABC, segment BD is a angle bisector of angle B. According to angle bisector theorem, अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम का पहा आपण अँगल बायसेक्टर या ठिकाणी इथे हा अँगल बायसेक्टर BD, angle bisector is BD. It divides AC into AD into DC, means AD upon DC is equal to, I have taken AD, that's why first I have taken AB upon BC. According to angle bisector theorem, AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC. Putting the values in the given figure, what is the value of AD? It is x minus 2 upon, what is the value of DC? It is x plus 2, which is equal to, what is the value of AB? Value of AB is a x and value of BC is a x plus 5. Okay, now here is a equal to sign, that's why I have to take cross multiplication, that is x minus 2 into x plus 5 is equal to x into x plus 2. Let us take the multiplication of two brackets. या ठिकाणी जरा लक्ष द्या, बऱ्याच लोकांना टू ब्रॅकेट्सचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन अजूनही येत नाही. लेट अस मल्टिप्लाय दिस x by this, I will get x square. Multiply this x by plus 5, I will get plus 5x. Now x is completed. Minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10 is equal to, here multiplication, x into x plus 2, that is x square plus 2x. Understand the multiplication? Now let x square get cancelled. 5x minus 2x, I will get 3x here. Minus 10 is equal to 2x. Now what I have to do? I have to transfer this 2x to this side and minus 10 to this side. That is 3x minus 2x is equal to 10. This plus 2x becomes here minus 2x. This minus 10 becomes here plus 10. 3x minus 2x, x is equal to 10. Now we have to complete the answer. The value of x is equal to 10. Like this you can solve the practice set 1.2 completely. ठीक आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपला हा जो व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आता आवडला असेल तर नक्कीपणे तुम्ही सबस्क्राइब करा आणि पहा. काही शंका असतील तर तशा मला मेसेज करा की या ठिकाणी शंका आहेत. तर या ठिकाणी आपला एक्सरसाइज 1.2 या ठिकाणी संपलेला आहे. पुढील भाग हा आपण पुढील लेक्चरमध्ये पाहूया. धन्यवाद.